Things that will surely help you in affiliate marketing. There are many benefits to you as an affiliate when doing affiliate marketing. You take pride in your blog/website, why not earn some rewards by advertising for companies that you strongly believe in? This video will show you how to make a little money off something you already enjoy doing. You can put your customers in a buying mood by telling them all about the advantages of the product. Do not simply mention the product or post pictures of it. Explain why you love it and how it has changed your life. Convince them that they need this product before directing them to the page where they can buy it. Many affiliate marketers diligently work towards success using the wrong style. They try to sell too many things, they offer more promotions than they should, and they put much more on themselves than they can handle. Hitting a limit is non-existent in fitness. You must put in a lot of time and effort in order to find a marketing approach that works for you. If you are attempting to market multiple products after the success of your first campaign in affiliate marketing, you should try to keep the product in relatively the same market. You already know how to promote a product within this market. So remember this analogy: don't go from fixing cars to fixing airplanes. As a merchant, you can positively benefit from affiliate marketing. You don't have any upfront marketing expense, which can reduce your costs when you start a new business. If your products are significantly better than the competitors' ones and your prices are competitive, you have a good chance to build a solid business with affiliate marketing. Marketing a product you love is a great way to turn a job into a hobby, so try to pick something that really interests you and that really moves you emotionally. Your love for the product will come through and customers will pick up on this and ultimately buy more from you. Be sure to write quality content and then enhance it with affiliate links. Consider your affiliate links as resources for your clients that will make it easy for them to purchase the product or service you sincerely recommend. If your review of the product is shallow and makes it clear that you don't really have personal experience with the product, no one will click on your links, no matter how many you post. Advertising only products you know are legitimate is a must. Customers generally don't come back to visit sites they believe are advertising illegitimate products. By advertising products or services that are legit, visitors will be more likely to tell others about your website, which will generate more traffic for you. You have now learned how to use your blog or website to earn a little bonus through affiliate marketing. Take these tips seriously, and you could get a nice little bonus from basically doing nothing except allowing a company to advertise. Very little work on your part, and it helps both you and the company out. Student loan.